In today's video, we will explore the 2023 Model Y in detail and discuss the differences between this newer version and its predecessor. The starting price for the 2023 Model Y is approximately $58,190, which is significantly higher than the base price of the 2021 Model Y, which was priced at $39,000. In fact, there is a remarkable price difference of $19,000 between the two versions. We will be analyzing the various modifications made to the 2023 Model Y and comparing them with the features of the older version. By doing so, we can determine which of these two models is better suited to your needs. So whether you're planning to buy a new Model Y or are interested in learning about the latest developments in the automobile industry, this video will provide you with all the information you need. The trick to finding out the year of your Tesla is to check the VIN, Vehicle Identification Number. The 10th digit in the Tesla VIN indicates a letter for the year of manufacture. For 2023, it should be P if you buy a Tesla Model Y. Let's start with the exterior of these two vehicles. There are changes that you will notice right away. So what exactly are they? First off, we have the removal of the ultrasonic sensors. For the old model, you can see the sensors and their imprints on the car. They look like little circles. However, all new Model Y vehicles will no longer include the 12 ultrasonic sensors typically found on their front and rear bumpers. Ultrasonic sensors, which measure distance using ultrasonic waves, are generally used as proximity sensors to support anti-collision safety systems, particularly in low-speed applications like parking. Tesla is now using the vision system for everything. It claims this approach improves autopilot, giving it longer range visibility and the ability to identify and discern different objects. However, it's more of Elon's cost-cutting methods and goal to deliver as many cars as possible. What other changes are there to the exterior? Some rumors exist that Tesla may implement carbon and fiber accessories for the new 2023 Tesla Model Y, along with an improved automatic windshield wiping system. Many current Model Y owners have expressed their concern about the quality of the automatic windshield wiping system. Though Tesla is rooted in its pledge to safe driving, it is a major drawback to driving in the rain with faulty windshield wipers. Hopefully, Tesla will improve on this. Now let's move on to the interior, starting at the back seat. The 2023 Model Y contains an interesting improvement among others. The back seat will now extend 1.2 inches for the left and right passengers, while the middle seat will remain at the same depth. And what's new for the front? A new report about a powered front trunk coming to the model. The website, not the Tesla app, recently found a new update that shows a closing animation for the front in the latest Tesla software update. This is a much-needed update for the Model Y and every other Tesla because the latest EVs from GM, Ford, Rivian, and Lucid now have automated fronts that open and close remotely. This is like how the Model 3 didn't have a power operator rear trunk for the longest time, and they finally added it in 2020. Not only would that be more convenient, but if you've ever used a front trunk on a Tesla, you know how picky they can be. You can't slam it closed, you have to press it down in a specific way to do it gently. The Model S is the worst because you can damage the cover if you don't close it properly, so it would be great not to have to deal with it. Tesla is always at the forefront of technology. So what technology will the Model Y 2023 be updated with? First off is its new suspension. The smoother ride that Elon Musk promised for a newly built standard Model Y long-range version has been available on the performance variant for a while. As per a leaked email that Tesla sent to employees internally, in the email the company informs that our latest Model Y Comfort suspension provides improved ride comfort and reduced road harshness, while maintaining the steering and handling precision characteristic of Tesla vehicles. Then there were comments on how much cheaper the new build for the Model Y's front suspension lower control arm, which is responsible for allowing suspension setting parts to rotate whenever the car is concerning. With these subtle changes, Tesla decided to make the Model Y suspension system more cost-effective while improving the vehicle suspension's overall quality. In the end, car owners will have smoother, more comfortable rides. Exciting news about the camera system is in the upcoming 2023 Tesla Model Y. The quality of the cameras is expected to undergo a significant improvement. However, no specific details were provided in the response. However, the lack of denial that the cameras will be 5 megapixels all but confirms the specifications. This information aligns with a previous report stating that Tesla had secured a deal for 5-megapixel cameras. It is worth noting that the agreement was made with Samsung, who later clarified that they were in talks with Tesla. Currently, the Model Y's cameras have a resolution of 1280 by 960 or roughly 1.2 megapixels, so upgrading to 5 megapixels camera would represent a major improvement over the current configuration. Who will be the competitors of the 2023 Model Y? A 60% rise in the new EV registration is a sign that EVs are taking over. However, is the 2023 Tesla Model Y a better decision than Hyundai, Kia, Volkswagen, and all other big names joining the electric vehicle industry? With Volkswagen Rise, the base version of the ID4 would cost around $42,084, have a shorter range, less than 400 liters of load capacity, and lack the signature components that have contributed to Tesla's ecosystem. Additionally, the newly built Model Y has premium interior selections, new exterior color options, and all the add-ons on top-of-the-range ID4 model. Therefore, more money would be added to equip an ID4 at the same level. The same applies to the Audi e-tron or Skoda Enyaq twins, also owned by Volkswagen. The Volvo XC40 Recharge with $44,027 remains more competitive. The basic version has a 67 kWh battery and great autonomy. Still, it needs more cargo space, topping out at only 419 liters. The new Model Y can even jeopardize the sales of more compact models, such as the Renault Megane E-Tech Electric with $48,919, which, if equipped at the same level, would still reach close, albeit with much less power, slower charging, and again, much less load capacity. Overall, the 2023 Model Y will have more competition due to the wider selection of big-name brands transitioning to the EV scene. Tesla announced that the estimated release date for the 2023 Model Y was February to May 2023. Recently, Tesla has pushed this date to April to July of 2023. That is our video for today. We hope you like it. However, it's a great vehicle and many users have had a good experience with it. Would you get a 2023 Model Y? Is it a big improvement over the 2020 version? Share all of your thoughts with us in the comment section below. Well, that's all for now. This is Big Tech Media. See you again tomorrow. Keep in mind to like, share, and subscribe.